Guys, I'm in Italy. We're doing a walking tour, my husband and I, and yeah, we're just about to get our tickets there and get in to see the Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. And yeah, the sun is sunning. I'm loving it. We just started maybe. The Last Supper painting is located in Santa Maria del Grazie, which is a church or monastery, and in there you can find other works by Leonardo da Vinci, like the ones you're seeing on the screen. This is just a description of the Last Supper. It was commissioned by monks, and this is the painting itself. I didn't know that it was done on a wall. I thought it was always on canvas, but anyway, you learn, and it was good to see in person. One thing that struck me though was that Judas Iscariot was the darkest of all the apostles, and I'm like, why is he painted as a black person or as someone that is very dark? Our tour guide explained that Leonardo did that to depict that his soul was very dark, and John was the lightest person, and that was to depict that his soul was, pure. And read what you may in that, but it just struck me that Judas was the darkest of them all, and I'm not sure I was a fan of that, but it was nice to see. He had plan and vision, and even the painting itself, you can see like the 3D depiction. On screen is the lady that did the restoration, because at some point when there was a war, I believe that was World War II, to protect the painting they put sandbags and put poles in front to protect it from bombs, and that's how it stands still today. Inside the monastery there is also a painting by Giovanni, and it's a painting of the crucifixion, and there are loads of people all around it. This is very detailed and it's a really good piece of work. I was so impressed with the detailing, to think that this was done several years ago. Anyways, it's quite difficult to get tickets to see the Last Supper, but you can get some through like third-party mediums such as Viator or TripAdvisor. I think it's worth the shot if you're in Milan to visit, to make sure to see it. Another thing I would recommend is do a walking tour. You get a guide that would explain the things that you're seeing on foot. You can also do one by bus. Essentially, you get to learn more about the history of the city you're visiting, events, and it's quite interesting. For example, this sculpture that you're seeing on screen that stands, across, you have a needle and thread, so a needle and knot, and it's tied on the other end. It's in the colors of the metro, so red, yellow, and green. And it's also a tribute to Milan as a leading fashion center in the world. So it's a tribute to the fashion industry. And if I had walked past without the tour guide explaining to me, I wouldn't have picked up the meaning of the sculpture. So that's some of the benefits that you can get from a world tour. Vittoria Emanuele is a shopping district, and it leads to the Duomo. It's in the Piazza del Duomo, which is essentially Duomo Square, and it's just a connection. to the Duomo, this is a must see. I was stunned, amazed, I was in awe to think that this was built many years ago. Like, the detailing is so out of this world. I mean, God bless God. If I can say so, because to think that human beings were gifted with the ability to build this is mind-blowing. And yeah, it's a must see. If you're a Christian as well, they have candles, you can say a prayer. There are also tombs in there of like people, saints, well, people that have now been, what's the word, that have now become saints. They've been something by the Pope, I can't remember the word, in there. And I recommend that you go up the Duomo. Unfortunately, we couldn't get tickets to use the lift, so we had to use the stairs, and it was a painful exercise, endurance exercise, and the stairs are so narrow that you can't really stop. But anyways, make sure to go up there because the views are amazing. I'll keep quiet now and leave you to enjoy, and yeah, see you soon with my voice. We made it! Oh, we made it! My heart rate is like oh, fantastic. My sweetie, my honey, my sugar. I liked our hotel and everything about it, from the room to the food to the staff, everything apart from that painting on the wall, the one with the, I don't know, sort of demonic head and hand across the face and evil eye. Yeah, that for me was a no-no, especially as a Christian. If I could, I'd have taken that off the wall, but yeah, I had to just leave it there. Yeah, so I wasn't a fan of that, but everything else was great. Hey guys, so resting at the hotel now. Like, my legs are killing me, not just because we've been walking for quite some time, like for hours, or at least on our feet for the most part. Aside from when we had, I'm not sure that's called it, breakfast or lunch, or had a meal, then we sat for a bit, and then just little breaks here and there, but we've essentially been on our feet all day, and it's past, well, I can't tell the time. I think it's about 6 p.m, but mainly because my boots are not the most comfortable thing for walking. In fact, they're not even comfortable at all, so my legs are aching. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna change my shoes and just rest my feet for now, you know, let them recover. I hit all my milestones on my watch today. Like, my watch was like, hey, this is your personal best, hey, you've done this, hey, you've done that, like, you name it, running, climbing, walking, well, standing, because there's a stand goal as well. Yeah, it's been a busy day, a busy day, and I'm happy to be resting now. I'll take you along on what's going on for the rest of the trip, and yeah, see you soon. Out. So we went to Letonides. It's in Navigli, and Navigli is a very bubbly district in Milan. It's where a lot of young people hang out. You have really nice restaurants there. You've got loads of bars, club, restaurants, whatever it is, you name it. And this is what the view looks like at night. The food that you saw earlier was the bomb, by the way. Even though these shoes were comfortable, the shoes I wore in the evening, my feet and legs were still aching from my boots earlier. So Mama cannot kill herself. I removed the shoes the moment we got to our hotel for some freedom. Good morning, guys. Breakfast time. My legs are feeling better. Mama, that's if you know when you cycle. Like, you know,
my old friends are okay.
So that was paining me was sick as I did this leg here now.
Yeah, I'm not able to try the shoe like that. They're very. You have to pass my test.
I just want. Holiday is nearly over. Holiday is nearly over.
Just space in your back. Just
No.
buy anything.
Oh, no space. No space. Oh, city break done.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing.
So, as part of our shopping, my husband and I went to this cashmere store that was really amazing. They had really good quality. And the moment I got into the store, there was this piece that caught my eye. It was in yellow. Yellow is very attractive, but guess what? It was 495 euros. And maybe you're lowering your other money. Moya, look away. You know, I haven't reached that level, but maybe at some point in the future, you know, I'll get there. We got some pieces. I believe they're gonna last forever because they say their lifetime lifetime cashmere. That's how they package their stuff. Anyways, more shopping. If you don't go, and whether it is window shop or shop plus eat when you're on vacation, I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Love you.
We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm. I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward. It's gonna save you. Never look down, love. Not when we shine so bright. I know. The sun is getting warmer. But when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. But when we're floating up like helium,